Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I am going to show you how to edit in Audacity. So let's get started. Begin by importing your audio file into Audacity. Click File, then click on Open or Import and select your audio file from your computer. Okay, it's now loaded onto the Audacity interface. Now listen closely to your audio and identify areas you want to remove. Use the selection tool to highlight the unwanted section, or click and drag to highlight the area. Hit delete and it's gone. You can also use silence audio to mute segments. Now it's time to rearrange your audio. Cut out section using Ctrl+X or go to Edit, click on Cut. Move them around using Ctrl+B or click on Edit and Paste. Now let's move on to adjusting levels. Ensure consistent volume across your audio. Select Effect, then Normalize to set a standard volume. Need a specific adjustments? Amplify has got you covered. Applying effects. Add some player with effects like Equalization for tonal adjustments, compression for smoothing out levels, or Reverb for that perfect ambience. Add fade in and fade out. Create seamless starts and finishes by applying a fade in at the beginning and a fade out at the end. It's time to export audio. Click File, then Export. Choose your format, and you are all set to conquer the world with your edited audio. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.